The Great Wall is not just a wall. It is a symbol of China's strength and resilience. It is a reminder of the countless workers who toiled to build it. And it is a popular destination for travelers who come to marvel at its grandeur. The wall's story is long and complex. It spans thousands of years and involves many different rulers and dynasties. Join us now as we journey through time to explore the history of the Great Wall of China. Our journey begins long ago. Imagine a time before China was united, over 2,000 years in the past. During this era, known as the Warring States period, China was divided. 7 kingdoms fought for control of the land. Each kingdom worried about protecting its borders from its rivals. They built walls for defense. These walls were not connected. They were made mostly from earth and gravel, with some stone. They were smaller and simpler than the Great Wall we know today. These early walls were strategically important. They marked the boundaries of each kingdom. They offered some protection from enemy attacks, but they were also symbols of division and conflict. These walls were the seeds from which the Great Wall would eventually grow, but it would take a powerful leader to unite them into a single imposing structure. In 221 BCE, a new era dawned in China. A ruler named Qin Shi Huang rose to power. He conquered the 6 other kingdoms and unified China for the first time. Qin Shi Huang declared himself the first emperor and established the Qin dynasty. Emperor Qin was a visionary leader. He understood the importance of strong defenses. He ordered the existing walls to be connected and extended. This was a monumental task. It required the labor of hundreds of thousands of workers. The emperor's vision was clear: one wall, one empire, one China. The walls were no longer just defensive barriers. They became symbols of unity and strength. They represented the emperor's power and the newly unified China. Qin Shi Huang's ambition left an indelible mark on history. His decision to connect the walls laid the foundation for the Great Wall we know today. Section 4. Blood, Sweat and Stone, the Price of Unity. Constructing the Great Wall was a Herculean effort. It was not just a simple task of laying bricks and stones, it was a monumental endeavor that required meticulous planning, coordination, and an immense amount of labor. It demanded immense manpower and resources. The sheer scale of the project was unprecedented, and it required the mobilization of entire communities and regions. Hundreds of thousands of workers, many of them forced laborers and convicts, toiled tirelessly on the project. These individuals were often taken from their homes and families, compelled to work under harsh conditions. The work was brutal and dangerous. Workers faced extreme weather conditions, from scorching heat to freezing cold, and the constant threat of injury or death was ever present. Workers carried heavy loads of stone, earth, and timber. These materials had to be transported over long distances, often through rugged and unforgiving terrain. They dug foundations in treacherous terrain. The land was often rocky and uneven, making the task even more challenging and perilous. Many perished due to exhaustion, disease, or accidents. The toll on human life was immense, and countless lives were lost in the process. There are many legends and stories about the hardships endured by the workers. These tales speak of their resilience, determination, and the incredible sacrifices they made. Their tools were simple picks, shovels, baskets, and rollers. Despite the lack of advanced technology, they managed to achieve remarkable feats of engineering. Despite the primitive technology, they managed to transport vast quantities of materials. The ingenuity and resourcefulness of these workers were truly astounding. They used ingenuity and sheer muscle to overcome the challenges. Every obstacle was met with determination and a relentless drive to succeed. The construction of the Great Wall is a testament to the perseverance of the human spirit. It stands as a symbol of what can be achieved through collective effort and unwavering resolve. It is a sobering reminder of the human cost of such a massive undertaking. The sacrifices made by those who worked on the wall are a poignant reminder of the price of unity and progress. Their sacrifices helped create a structure that would stand for millennia. The Great Wall remains a lasting legacy of their hard work, dedication, and the indomitable human spirit. Today, the Great Wall stretches across the landscape, a majestic and awe-inspiring sight. It serves as a powerful reminder of the incredible achievements of those who came before us. Inscriptions and carvings on the wall tell stories of the past, offering glimpses into the lives and struggles of the people who built it. These marks are a testament to their enduring legacy. Today, visitors from around the world walk along the Great Wall, marveling at its grandeur and reflecting on its historical significance. It stands as a bridge between the past and the present, a monument to human ingenuity and perseverance. As the sun sets over the Great Wall, casting a golden glow on the ancient stones, we are reminded of the enduring power of human determination and the timeless quest for unity and progress. Section 5. A wall against the world. The Great Wall was built to protect China from invaders. Stretching over 13,000 miles, it is one of the most ambitious construction projects in human history. It served as a physical barrier and a symbol of Chinese strength. Each brick and stone was meticulously placed, representing the labor and dedication of countless workers. But how effective was it? This question has intrigued historians and scholars for centuries. The wall was designed to slow down invaders and make it difficult for them to mount a large-scale attack. Its strategic design included watchtowers, fortresses, and beacon towers to enhance its defensive capabilities. It served as a raised platform for soldiers to patrol the border and signal warnings. These soldiers were the first line of defense, constantly vigilant and ready to alert the main forces of any approaching danger. The watchtowers along the wall provided shelter for troops and served as communication posts. Smoke signals and fire beacons were used to relay messages quickly across vast distances. Despite its imposing presence, the Great Wall was not impenetrable. Its sheer size and length made it difficult to defend every section at all times. Over the centuries, many invaders, including the Mongols, breached the wall. They used various tactics, from scaling the walls to finding unguarded sections. They found ways to circumvent it, bribe guards, or exploit weaknesses in its defenses. These breaches highlighted the limitations of even the most formidable structures. While it may not have always stopped every invasion, the Great Wall did act as a deterrent. Its very existence forced invaders to think twice and often diverted them to less fortified areas. Its presence alone was a powerful symbol of Chinese might. It represented the unity and strength of the Chinese people, standing as a testament to their resilience and determination. It discouraged many potential invaders and slowed down those who dared to attack. The Great Wall remains a monumental achievement, reflecting the ingenuity and perseverance of ancient China. Section 6. The Dragon's Spine Strengthened. Over the centuries that followed, the Great Wall fell into disrepair. Then, during the Ming Dynasty, from 1368 to 1644, it was extensively renovated and strengthened. The Ming emperors recognized the importance of the wall as a defensive structure. They ordered major repairs and expansions. Under the Ming, the wall took on the form we recognize today. They used bricks and granite blocks instead of just earth and wood. They built more watchtowers and fortified strategic passes. They extended the wall even further, making it longer and more formidable. The Ming Dynasty's efforts transformed the Great Wall into a more robust and enduring structure. Their contributions ensured that the wall would continue to stand as a testament to Chinese ingenuity for centuries to come. Section 7. A legacy etched in stone. The Great Wall of China, an architectural marvel, stretches over 13,000 miles, winding its way through rugged mountains, vast deserts, and lush valleys. It is a structure that has stood the test of time, witnessing the rise and fall of dynasties and the ebb and flow of history. Today, the Great Wall of China is no longer a military structure. Instead, it is transformed into a symbol of peace and unity, drawing people from all corners of the globe. Visitors come not just to see the wall, but to experience a piece of history that has shaped the world. It has become a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its historical and cultural significance. This designation ensures that the wall is protected and preserved for future generations to appreciate and learn from. It is a powerful symbol of China's rich history and cultural heritage. The intricate stone carvings and ancient inscriptions found along the wall tell stories of bravery, sacrifice, and ingenuity. Millions of tourists visit the wall each year. They come to marvel at its grandeur, to walk along its ancient paths, and to feel a connection to the past. They come to walk in the footsteps of emperors and soldiers, to imagine the lives of those who built and defended this monumental structure. While some sections of the wall have crumbled over time, the natural wear and tear is a testament to the passage of centuries. The wall has faced the ravages of nature, from harsh weather conditions to the relentless march of time. Others have been meticulously restored. Skilled artisans and workers dedicate their efforts to preserving the wall's original beauty and strength, ensuring that it remains a symbol of resilience. The Chinese government has undertaken significant efforts to preserve this iconic landmark. Through extensive restoration projects and protective measures, they aim to safeguard the wall's legacy. They recognize its historical and cultural significance. Ceremonies and events are held to honor the wall, celebrating its role in shaping China's identity and its impact on the world. The Great Wall of China stands as a testament to human endeavor. It is a monumental achievement that showcases the ingenuity, determination, and collaborative spirit of countless individuals. It is a reminder of our capacity for both great and terrible things. The wall's history is a tapestry of triumphs and tragedies, reflecting the complexities of human nature. It is a symbol of division and unity, of conflict and perseverance. The wall has seen battles and peace, serving as both a barrier and a bridge between cultures and peoples. Above all, it is a reminder of the enduring power of the human spirit to leave its mark on the world. The Great Wall of China stands as a beacon of hope and a testament to the enduring legacy of human achievement.